Today I am at Animal Kingdom Lodge, which is actually one of our favorite resorts to visit. There are great restaurants here. You have Sanaa, which is one of the first places we went when we were considering moving here, and Jason wanted to show me there really is good food at Disney. Sanaa is over in Kidani, which is a different building, and then the largest building here is the Jambo House. Jambo House is super beautiful. It is one of the grandest lobbies on Disney property, in my opinion. When I first arrived, I planned on getting a great sweep of that beautiful lobby, and there was actually a really cool event going on. All of the African cultural representatives who work here and give amazing informational tours and information on the animals you can see all over Savannah. Well, today, some of those representatives were actually graduating. So they did their national anthem. I heard the Kenyan national anthem, the South African national anthem, and they sing along, and it's great, and people applaud, and they're wearing cap and gown too, and then a lot of them have Mickey ears on, which is super fun, I think. A lot of them seem to have family here. It was a really cool event to kind of just stumble upon, which is why I think makes this resort so special, is you get to see, not only are they just hotel staff, they're actually members of the African Cultural Representative Group who work here, who educate here in a hotel that is very inspired by African art, African culture. Another fact that I think is really cool that I actually didn't know until I was looking around, Animal Kingdom Lodge is actually home to one of the largest collections of African art in the United States. So when you come here and you walk around, you'll see all sorts of beautiful inspired art. There are also 3 restaurants here. There's the Quick Serve, which is the Mara. Then there's also Jiko, which is a cooking place. And then there is Boma. Boma is a really cool buffet to check out. You can try all these different interesting dishes. They tell you what they are. They still have macaroni and cheese. They still have things that are gonna feel familiar and comfortable, especially for kids who are not super adventurous maybe. But then you can kind of give a chance to try different things. So Boma is highly recommended by us. We loved it. We went there with Justin Taylor a couple of months ago. And we've been to Sanaa. We have not been to Jiko yet, but we do wanna go over there. I have actually been to the Mara, which is their quick serve. So I'm gonna go walk around, look some more, and I have to get myself some lunch. Alright, so I am over at the Mara now. Based on the recommendation of the cashier, I am going to try the chicken flatbread, which looks pretty good. It has an oak-fired chicken breast on it. I'm going to give it a shot. It's actually pretty good. It seems to have a cilantro ranch on top. There's also sun-dried tomatoes, red onion, oak-fired chicken. Honestly, it tastes pretty good. The portion is pretty big too. You get quite a few slices for a $10.49. Here I go. I'm gonna enjoy. Alright, so that is the end of my day here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I got to check out all of the property, even parts of the property I haven't seen before, over by the flamingos and the playground. There's a lot of things I hadn't checked out prior to this, which was really a nice opportunity for me. I also got to have that oak-fired chicken flatbread, which was really yummy. And those are those things that we talk about all the time when we come here. You can have food that's beyond that simple hot dog and hamburger. There's a time and place for hamburgers and hot dogs, but it's not always at Disney. I think you can have great food here for the same price. There are 3 different flatbreads on the menu right now, and those are great things to kind of try, especially if you're here for a longer stay in a hotel. Try a few different options. Most likely, if you're staying on property and you have a Disney dining plan, then you're gonna get to use that to your ability and try a bunch of different food. Right now, I'm sitting in the middle of the lobby that I think is just so beautiful. There is a bridge from above. There's a whole bunch of different angles to help you appreciate just how beautiful this lobby is. If you're staying on property, either here at Animal Kingdom or even at another resort, take time, come over here, check it out, just sit in the lobby and really appreciate it for what it is. It's a beautiful space. It's really well designed in every single detail. You'll see detail on the lamp. You'll see the animals jumping up above me across the bridge. That goes around the entire lobby on every floor. There's so many details to take in. This is the hotel to do it. This is the hotel to slow down, enjoy different meals, enjoy different cuisines, and really say, this is what makes Disney a special place to go. That's why we love Animal Kingdom Lodge.